Help me.
Okay, now make sure you are sitting down while watching this video. Fair warning, because honey, let me tell you, it will have you in a chokehold. I'm warning you, but have a seat, sis.
Okay, so I just took off this wig. Click the link down below because baby, it was cute. But I'm trying to basically revive my old ball cap. So I already did the sides. They were coming up just how this is coming up. See how it's like that? And I need it down. So I take some of my Ebon melting spray. So what I do is just spray it, get it wet. And then I blow dry it. You see how it's still rolling up? Then I go in with like a makeup brush like this just to use the edge and roll it. Okay, so now everything is down again. And ideally, look, Lily, take that brush. Right. But if you're going for like a real long melt, just take the cap off and do it again just to make sure your wig lasts a long time. And then I just take some of my powder foundation and go right back over my ball cap. Okay, and there we go, just like that. Our ball cap perfect and ready to go, because for this install I need it to look good. I'm doing that little zigzag part too. So I did wash my wig earlier and it's pretty dry, and I did sit outside today. The sun was booming and look at the curls, it looks so good. I love how blunt and thick it is. Not a leaf. I set it right on top of the tree, like, well, a bush. I'm talking about a tree. Girl, imagine me climbing up a tree. Y'all won't be stealing my wig. I want to do 2 buns, but I might want to just leave it down. Look at this hair. Okay, you actually get a lot of frontal space. You might want to grab this one, sis. Yeah. Oh my goodness. It looked like I plucked this, but I didn't. That's perfect. Okay, so really quick, let me show y'all. I added makeup just to the sides because that part tends to be a little bit more ashier and it's a little harder to blend. I didn't add any makeup right here because I think I like to add that at the end just to blend in the edges, not necessarily make the actual lace where the part is going to be darker. Okay, so this is going to be a fairly quick install. So first thing is to make sure your side tabs have been cut and your ears are exposed. Now I'm gonna add my band before I even glue anything down, just to get everything to stay in place. And I glue it in the correct spot. This hair is so adorable. Along with my dress, I got this dress from Gabe's. It was like $7.99. The back is out, so cute. I got this necklace from Kohl's. It was on sale when I took an Amazon return back, and I got 15% off, so it was like $6, maybe even $5. And I got the earrings, and it was like $3. Because I shop clearance. All right, this is exactly where I want it, so I'll go ahead. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and cut off the lace, just chip at it. Alright, so now I will flip this back and just go ahead and add glue to the pieces that need glue. So I have everything down. Now I will add a little makeup. This one that's almost gone.
Just want to take away some of the ashes. Okay.
Add this melting spray. Okay. Perfect. It looks so good down. It's so thick. Okay, so before I get into this style, I'm going to go ahead and define my curls and then I'll go into the style. But this is how, okay, see, this is the look I'm going for. See the two buns, and she got the curly bob that's like a blunt cut. Perfect for this hair, right? Real pretty. I'm gonna do that next. I'm really just working with the front area that I straightened. Everything else that's still curly, boom in the back. I'm not touching it. So I'm gonna run through this really quick and then I'm gonna use my diffuser because I ain't got all day to be waiting for it to dry. I want it more just like, I don't necessarily want a part, I don't think, or do I? Oh, yes I do. I do want a part. Okay, let's diffuse it. Okay, I think it's dry. It's gonna be dry today. Not even daytime, it's nighttime. It's ready to be 12 o'clock. And that's it for the curls. I love it. It looks great. You do not have to pull out any edges. I love that. Alright, so now for the style. Okay, I know it's time for me to go to sleep because I'm like losing stuff. Calm. Alright, so the zigzag part, which way I want it zigging, which way I want it zagging. Looking a little wonky, but that's all right. Okay, so look at this. Like, this frontal has perfect parting area. You can pretty much do any style in the front, giving straight scalp action. And I went ahead and hot combed that back as well and pulled out my little side baby hairs. Okay, little baby sideburns. Nice and thin. Now these. Okay, yeah, that's how the girls was. Hers was real thin. All right, let me do my ponytail. And the best way I found to do a ponytail is to just use my detangling spray, get it real wet, and get the inside, and then I can comb it and it'll be flat. I want to make sure you can see my part though. Now this look good. And I'm going to set it with some spritz. And you see how easy it is just to wet that section up instead of hot combing it section by section. I used to take my time and hot comb it, but no. Oh, I did that one so good. Nail holding spray. Okay, still not done with the style, but this is cute itself with these two hanging down. Oh, it's 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock in the morning. I probably should have dried this section first, but I'm not. Just gonna do this number. I am gonna dry it. How adorable is that? Now I feel like I gotta do this one over. Help me. Let's try this one. Now they match. Okay. Done. I'm gonna just add a little oil to the sides so to match my bun. It's like my bun looking all moisturized. So add some oil. Put it on me too. Okay, real quick, I'm ready to wrap my hair up for the night, and I just took the back and put it into a little pineapple at the top. I just want to keep my curls up. And look how cute that is. And then I'm also going to add my milk band, and that's it. Curls are gorgeous. So quick update, it's the next day. So hair is still up into the bun, and you see the curls don't look like they've been disturbed. Yeah, that overnight melt. Let's take this off. Perfect. I love this hair. This hair will always and forever be in my collection. Now I went ahead and fluffed out my edges. I didn't even swoop it, just combed it out. It looks so good and natural.